Hi everyone, welcome back to Kwala, a Web3 workflow automation protocol. Today we will create a workflow to receive repetitive notifications based on token price fetched. Let's say you are a day trader who wants to buy Solana token whenever its value drops to $200. So here you can use Kwala workflow automation to receive Telegram messages whenever the SOL price drops to $200. Okay, now let's see how it's done. So right now, the price of Solana is at $196.55. So let's create a workflow automation when the price drops to, let's say, $195. So before jumping to the workflow, first of all, I want to check if my Telegram bot is working fine or not. Okay, so my Telegram API is working fine. Now let's jump to workflow. So I'll click to start building. I'll go to my workflows. My MetaMask wallet is already attached to this workflow. I'll click to new workflow, and now it's time to operate workflow builder for the ease. So my workflow name is Sol Price Drop 1, and then click to next. Now it's time for the triggers. First column is execute after. So I want to execute my actions after Oracle price. So right now the Solana price is $196.73, and I want to trigger it when it reaches to $195. Now it comes to repeat every, and I want notifications every time it reaches to $195. So I'll click to Oracle price, and I want this workflow to expire in next 1 hour, let's say. So I'm going to put the details as per my IST timing. So now I'll add the target price to $195, and the token that I want to select is Solana. For the recurring details, I'll add the same price. So every time it reaches to $195, I'll get a notification. Now I'll paste a notification post URL. And now it's time to add the actions. The action here will be the Telegram notifications, right? So I'll first add the action name. That will be a post call. Now I'll add the API endpoint URL. So my text on Telegram here is going to be SOL price has dropped to $195, and I have defined the action. Now it's time to define the execution mode, and I want this execution to be sequential. So I'll create this workflow now. I'll cross check all the details. Okay, now it's time to save this YAML file. It's saved. I'll compile this YAML as well. It's compiled. Now it's time to deploy. So the deployment of this YAML file will take a few seconds. I'll confirm this transaction. Now the status is pending now for deploying, and the status here has to be claimed for deployed. Okay, so now the status of deployment is claimed now. Now it's time to activate this workflow. Okay, so the workflow is deployed now, and right now the price of Solana is $196. So let's wait for a few minutes when it reaches to $195, and we'll definitely receive a few notifications around it. So right now, as you can see, my chatbot has been bombarded with the notifications. So I have been receiving notifications constantly that the Solana price has dropped to $195. So with these instantaneous notifications, you can make your investment decisions wisely. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more such use cases on Kwala. Thank you.